In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable Bing search in Windows Start menu. If you want your Start menu to show only local apps, files, and settings without pulling in web results, this quick registry tweak will do the trick. We'll move carefully, explain what each step does, and make sure you know how to confirm the change afterward. First, open the registry editor. Press the Windows key and R together to open the Run box. Type regedit and press Enter. If you see a security prompt, choose Yes. The registry editor is a powerful tool, so take your time and avoid changing anything you're not sure about. Next, we need to navigate to the exact location where Windows stores Start menu search settings for your account. In the left pane, expand HKEE Current User, then expand Software, Microsoft, Windows, Current Version, and finally, click on Search. This path controls search behavior for the currently signed-in user. Inside the search key, we're going to create a new value that tells Windows to turn off web results. Right-click in the right pane and choose New, then select DOORD, 32-bit value. Name it Bing Search Enabled, using that exact spelling with no spaces. Even if you're on a 64-bit system, DWORD 32-bit is the correct type here. Now, double-click the new Bing Search Enabled entry to open it. In the Value Data box, type 0 and click OK. Setting this to 0 effectively disables Bing-powered web results in the Start menu. You can leave the base as hexadecimal. For a 0 value, it doesn't change the outcome. To apply the change, you can either restart your PC or just restart Windows Explorer. Restarting Explorer is faster. Press Ctrl, Shift, and ESC to open Task Manager. Click More Details if needed, find Windows Explorer in the Processes tab, right-click it, and choose Restart. Your taskbar and desktop will briefly refresh, and the new setting will take effect immediately for your account. Once everything reloads, open the Start menu and start typing. You should now see results limited to apps, files, and system suggestions on your device, without web entries mixed in. This tweak helps reduce clutter and can make search feel more focused and private. Keep in mind, because we use the HKE current user path, the change applies only to the current user profile. That's it. Quick, precise, and safe when done carefully. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a cleaner, more local Start menu search experience.